Alright, so this is a tutorial on how to set up Google Drive and how easy it is to use Google Drive once it's set up correctly on your computer. So here is a quick quick overview of what I intend to go over in this tutorial, and this document is available in the TED folder. So let's check it out. So first thing, go to Google Drive. In any Google app, whether you're in Gmail, whether you're in Calendar, even if you're in Search, this bar should be at the top. Click on Drive. Should pull up this screen right here, or something like it. Now the next thing we need to do, make sure we are using the new look. I reverted to the old look just for the sake of demonstration. So if you click on the gear wheel in the top right, then click Upgrade to New Look, it will bring up the new front end for Google Drive. There are a lot of advantages to this, but for the rest of my tutorials I'll assume that you are using the new look because everything works better. So now in the left hand pane we are going to click on Download Google Drive. Pulls up a new window. There are terms of service. You can read over those if you wish, and then click Accept and Install. So everything is very painless. It runs the installer automatically. It will bring up a few options at the end, or instructions on how to access the options. And we're done. Google Drive is installed, and it will bring up some dialogues that explain really quickly some of the benefits of having downloaded and installed Google Drive. So here we are. I have to sign in so that Google knows this is my computer. And here's how it works. Google Drive works essentially the same as Dropbox. A folder will be created on my computer. In my folder, all of my files are synced. All of the non-Google document files are actually downloaded to my computer. The Google documents, it's a little bit more complicated. Because they are Google documents, they usually stay on the web. You can access them via mobile, or when you are online. If you wish for offline access, then you have to click through a couple more options, which we will do shortly. So files will sync, everything starts automatically. I click Start Sync. So pulls up the folder. Here is the folder it has created. Just like Dropbox, it looks to see whether everything has been synced. So this one is now synced, and these are all in progress. Down in the bottom right hand corner, here's the Dropbox icon, here's the Google Drive icon, and it shows the progress of the syncing. Just like Dropbox, now even if I don't have an internet connection, I can come in here, look around, see the organization structure. Because I'm online, I can say open. Oh, what's a file we've got? Let's see. Here's a file I created, and it will open it up in the browser. Files that are not Google documents, it will open up just on my computer. It appears I should have done that because it looks like my internet connection is busy syncing all of my documents. But here it is. Comes up nice and easy. So we'll close that. Thank you for trying Google Drive. Close that. Refresh Google Drive here. And looks like it hasn't finished. It hasn't finished syncing. So this is still here. But that's the basics of installing it. Now let's demonstrate what exactly this is capable of. So here's my drive. I can either work with all my files in the browser. Here I am in Google Chrome, or I can navigate through them just here in my normal folder system. So let's for example, I already put these on for my own sake, but these I just dragged and dropped, so why don't we just move them? So I'll move it to, let's put this digital organizations recommendation in here. So we can move this file in here. I can go in here, it's still here. I can open it if I want. If I come online, it should have updated. Indeed, it has moved from here. If I click in here, there is the file that I just moved. Here I can move it back. I can equally, just as easily, do all of this online. So here is my file, and I can drag and drop here. I can just drag and drop it to my drive. So I'll move this here to my drive, and it's back where it originally was. Another thing I forgot to mention, and I'll have to add this to the list. Well, let's put it on this list here. Move shared folders to my drive. This is important because my drive is what syncs. So here you will see shared with me. So here are all the things that have been shared with me by other people. If I want them synced to my computer, I need to move it to my drive. So that's just an easy drag and drop. I grab, say, here's the application folder that was accidentally shared with me separately, but for demonstration purposes, let's move this file to my drive. Boom. A simple drag and drop. It is now in my drive, and that should start, yes, that's synced to my folder system automatically. So that is how files work in Google Drive. Here's back to the overview. Go to Google Drive, use the new look, click download Google Drive, follow the instructions, then move any shared folders to my drive, and everything works beautifully, just like Dropbox.